Hi ladies, and welcome back. Today I'll be sharing a little tutorial on the new waver. This is a 25 inch, so each one of these is a 25 millimeter, not inch. And these are the results. I did this yesterday. I wore all day yesterday, and then today the curls have lasted. This is my Iwig, and so it's European hair, and I just love this look. We have all been searching for a curly wig, and with this tool you have it. I mean, these look like my bio hair used to look like, and I love it. So this is the pony wig that I do in the tutorial. I thought she would look really cute, wavy, curly, and she really does. This is the first time I've had her in any kind of curl pattern, so I love it. It's cute, it's perfect. Let me show you the back real fast. These are the wigs that you wear up or in a high bun because they're sewn in a circle. But she looks really cute. When she's straight, I usually can't wear it down because it kind of has that bump from where it's sewn in the circles, but curly you can't tell, so I could totally wear her down. But I will show you what it looks like up in just a second. This is her up in a ponytail. I'll show you the back. I do want to mention that this does come in Celsius instead of Fahrenheit, and you can convert that on Google very easily. I used it on the highest setting for the pony wig, and I put it on 200 for this wig. I will leave the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a like, and I hope you enjoy the video.